Welcome back, Freedom Savers. This is the Fidelity Zero Expense Ratio ETF portfolio update. As you know, these are two ETFs that Fidelity provides, and they have a zero expense ratio. So that's the lowest in the industry. Anyways, one of them is following the S&P 500, and the other is a mixture of mid and small cap, mostly mid cap. Current value is $102.68 with $0 sitting in cash. I originally deposited $100.04. We are up $2.64 or 2.64%. And I will show you. This is a screenshot from the portfolio. I don't want to just log in and show you that because there is the account number and personal information and whatnot. But these are the two funds I'm invested in. You can see overall we are up 2.02% on the large cap, which is the S&P 500, and we're up 3.29% on the mid cap. So not too shabby. We haven't been paid any dividends on this portfolio at all yet. It is a brand new portfolio, as you know. I just started this sucker February 4th. So there's been no dividend changes. Not that this would show me it. I won't really know until I get paid or I go look it up somewhere else. So nothing's changed here. This is from last week. So we'll take all of this out. And so the portfolio is only putting out 85 cents right now a year or 7 cents a month for a 0.85% return, which is fine at the moment because I've only deposited $100. So yeah, and as you know, all the taxable accounts are on hold because I'm paying off the credit card, so I'm not going to be investing any more into this anytime soon until I get that paid off, which hopefully will be done in the next month, I'm hoping, depending on how much overtime they allow me to work, which is not much right now. So that is the Fidelity account, and that's all I got for this week, guys. Have a good one.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you liked the video, hit that like button for me. If you want to hear any specific type of information, anything that you're interested in, you have any questions, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know your opinions on this video or any other video I've made. And if you know anyone else that might be interested in this video, please be sure to share it on your social media and share the knowledge. Thanks guys.